Let me ask you something uncomfortable. If I froze your income today, not cut it, just froze it, how long would your life keep running normally? A week? A month? Or would things start breaking almost immediately? Here is the scary truth most people don't want to hear. It is not low income that is keeping young adults poor. It's not the economy. It's not student loans alone. It's habits. Quiet, invisible money habits that feel normal, that everyone around you is doing, but that are silently draining your future every single month. And the worst part, most people don't even realize they're stuck until years go by. Today, I am breaking down the 9 money habits quietly keeping young adults poor. And once you see them, you won't be able to unsee them. My name is Neo, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, financial behavior, and why so many smart young adults struggle financially for way longer than they should. If you're someone who feels stuck financially, living paycheck to paycheck, or confused about why making more money hasn't fixed your problems, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Habit number 1. Confusing can afford with should buy here. That's the thing. Just because you can afford something doesn't mean you should buy it. But this is one of the most dangerous money habits young adults have. Let's use a simple example. You have $3,000 in your bank account. A $1,200 phone drops. You think, I can afford it? Technically, yes. But here's what most people don't realize. Affording something isn't about the price. It's about the opportunity cost. The $1,200 could be 2 months of rent security, a starter emergency fund, your first investment milestone instead. It becomes a slightly better camera and a faster scroll speed. This habit keeps people broke not because of one big purchase, but because it repeats hundreds of times over years. Habit number 2, lifestyle upgrades that happen too fast. I might be thinking, but I worked hard for this. I deserve better. And look, that's true. But here's the trap. Most young adults upgrade their lifestyle faster than their financial foundation. First, paycheck, better apartment, better car, more eating out, more subscriptions, according to data from the Bureau of Labor Statistics. Spending rises almost dollar for dollar with income increases for young workers, which means more money doesn't fix the problem. It just raises the stakes. This is where it gets really interesting. People who delay lifestyle upgrades by even 2 to 3 years after graduation often end up less stressed, more flexible, wealthier long term, not because they earned more, but because they kept control. Habit number 3, using debt to feel normal. This one is subtle. Most young adults don't use debt to feel rich. They use debt to feel normal. Normal car, normal clothes, normal vacations, normal lifestyle. But here's the math most people ignore. A $400 monthly car payment over 5 years is $24,000. Not including insurance, not including maintenance, not including opportunity costs. That's not normal. That's a financial anchor. Debt doesn't just cost money. It steals future flexibility. And flexibility is the real wealth multiplier early in life. Habit number 4. Waiting to make more before getting serious. This habit sounds responsible. I'll start budgeting when I make more. I'll invest once my income goes up. I'll save later. But here's what actually happened. You train yourself to live without systems. So when more money arrives, it leaks. According to multiple personal finance studies, income increases without systems rarely improve net worth. Here's the truth most people don't like. If you can't manage $2,000 a month, you won't magically manage $5,000. The behavior comes before the income. Habit number 5, nitrogen monoxide. Clear money milestones. Most young adults have goals like be better with money, save more, invest someday. Those aren't goals. They're vibes. Wealthy people think in milestones. Examples. First $1,000 saved. First 3 months of expenses. First $10,000 net worth first investment account. Without milestones, progress feels invisible. Motivation disappears. Spending wins by default here as what most people don't realize. Clarity creates momentum. Habit number 6. Treating investing like a lottery ticket. Let's talk investing. A lot of young adults don't invest to build wealth. They invest to escape boredom, chasing hot stocks, crypto hype, TikTok trends. But investing IST about excitement. It asks about consistency and time. Habit #7. Ignoring fixed expenses and focusing on small savings. People love cutting. Coffee streaming services, small treats but ignore rent. Transportation insurance. Phone plans here as the thing. Cutting $5 habits won't fix $500 problems. The biggest wins come from housing decisions, car choices, lifestyle commitments, quiet decisions with loud consequences. Habit number 8. Comparing their financial timeline to others. Social media has broken financial perception. You see vacations, new cars, luxury apartments. But you, Dan, TC, debt, family support, stress. Comparison creates pressure. Pressure creates bad decisions. And bad decisions compound. Here's what most people don't realize. The fastest way to stay poor is trying to look successful too early. Habit #9. Not building a buffer before taking risks. This is the final one. And it's critical. Young adults are told to take risks, chase dreams, bet on themselves. But without a buffer, risk becomes desperation. A 3 to 6 month emergency fund doesn't limit freedom. It enables it. It allows you to leave bad jobs, invest calmly, think long-term without it. Every setback feels catastrophic. The big picture shift, here's the takeaway. Staying poor isn't about one mistake. It's about patterns, quiet habits, normal behaviors, unquestioned defaults. Change the habits, and the outcome changes automatically. Actionable reset, what to do next if you want to break this cycle. 1. Track expenses for 30 days. 2. Define 3 clear money milestones. 3. Build a basic emergency fund. 4. Delay lifestyle upgrades. 5. Automate savings and investing. Simple. Not easy, but effective. Ending motivation plus CTA. If this video helped you see your money habits more clearly, hit the like button. It tells YouTube this content actually helps people. Subscribe to Genz Money if you want realistic financial guidance without hype, scams, or fake success stories. And comment below, which of the 9 habits hit you the hardest? Awareness is the first step to wealth.